In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the Show Changes feature in Excel to review and edit recent changes that were made in your workbook. To do this, you can go to the Review tab, and under the Changes grouping, you'll see an option for Show Changes. Click on Show Changes, and here you will see the most recent changes that were made in your workbook, along with some of the data edits that were made. As you can see, Dallas was changed to Dalla, 17 was changed to 56, for example. And you can click on these different changes to see where they were made. One thing to note is that whenever it comes to changes like deleting rows or columns, it shows the deletions that were made, but not necessarily what exactly was deleted, so be careful with that. And it does not track formatting changes, but this is helpful to see any value changes that were made in your data. You can also filter for specific ranges or sheets by clicking on this filter icon right here and selecting a range to filter on, so I can see, well, what changes were made right here, for example, if anything. And you can see these two changes are made in that range, but you can also see changes that were made in the different sheets. So data had some changes, but pivot tab didn't have any changes, and sheet 3 didn't have any changes. But they should have been had some recent changes. Also, one thing to note that does not track formatting changes. So as you can see, I've highlighted these rows right here, and it's not tracking these changes. So even though the Show Changes feature is a little bit limited, it does help you make sure that the data that's being changed is changed in the most accurate way as possible. Also helps you make sure that changes are made are relevant. You can also see who changed the data, when they changed it, and what they changed it from and to. So that's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.